Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel Learning Q&A. So what we learned today? Today I'm so excited to be with you in part 2 of my freelancing pro series where I will show you how to start from scratch to be a successful freelancer and get your first client in less than a couple of weeks. And in this video I will guide you to how to rank your gig higher on Fiverr and how to get more order. I know many of people are very talented in their field, but the common problem here is that your gig is lying in corner somewhere, so people cannot find our gig when they search. I will show you everything. Before starting the video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon also to get the instant notification when I releasing a new video almost every day. So after watching the video, put some like if you think this video was useful for you and share with your friends. Now go to our topic. 4 main factors to become a successful freelancer online. So in this video we will go now practically and see how we can apply and create some gig on Fiverr. So before we start, what you have to know that first decide what service you provide. If you don't have any idea or skill what gig you offer, don't worry. In my freelancing part 1 series I will show 3 Fiverr gig ideas that require no skills and knowledge. If in below video description I paste the video link, please check it out. Now go to the video how to rank your Fiverr gig. 4 factors to rank your gig higher on Fiverr. Number 1, keyword research. 2, optimize your gig title. 3, optimize your gig description. 4, tag. These 4 factors are very important to rank our gig. Let's start with how to create Fiverr seller account. Now I open fiverr.com to my screen and I already log in my account. If you don't have an account, simply using Gmail or other to sign up free. After sign in, click the profile option. I click my profile option and select become a seller option. Now I select become a seller. Now select again, click the become a seller button. It redirected to seller page. Before we start, they give some instructions for seller how to become successful and how to create seller profile and how to create gig. You can read it if you need to. Otherwise leave it and click the below continue button. Now I click the continue button. It will redirect you to the some pages. This is a personal info page. In this page we can fill some basic details about ourselves. First add your name, next add a good profile picture, next add description, write a small paragraph about what you do and what service you offer and what more about yourself. Add language you know and select the language level. Click the add icon option to add more languages and click the continue option to finish. This is a professional info page. First select your occupation and select the experience here also. I select digital marketing and below we need to select which one is related to our job and add skills what service you provide. Click add new button to add your skills. Next education. In this column you can add your educational qualification and when you complete. Next certificate. If you have any certificate you can add, otherwise just leave it. Next personal website. Do you have any website or blog? Paste your URL here and save and continue. And in this page we need to verify our social media account like Google, Facebook, Twitter. After verified, click the save and continue option. I already verified it. And the final step is verify your email and phone number via OTP method. Finally click the finish button. I click the finish button. Now we created successfully our seller account. This is a very important place guys. This is where we need to make it clear what service we are going to be provided, in which even if you make a small mistake your gig will go eventually. So I will tell you now how to write a proper title, proper description and tag etc. If you do as I say, you can take your gig higher on Fiverr within a week and to become a successful freelancer and get more orders and make more money from freelancing. First, we can find the keywords that related to our gig because keyword give us clue to search engine to know what people want and it allows us to better meet their needs. How to find the best keyword to your gig. Example, now I provide a HTML5 banner ad design gig. Now I open my browser window, go to google.com, type the title of what gig you provide. Because Google is a number one search engine in the world. If we type anything, it shows some related words. Now I type HTML5 banner. Now Google shows some related keywords. What people also search: HTML banner code, HTML banner, HTML ads, HTML banner example, HTML maker, HTML Google Ads and more. Now I select HTML5 banner. Yeah, I got some result guys, but we don't need it. Scroll down last of the page, you will see some keywords. Now you can select a keyword, which one is exactly point to our gig. I select HTML5 banner maker because Google shows what more people are searching. Next, go to the fiverr.com, paste your gig title. Now I write a HTML5 banner ads. In this step, you need to know which keyword your opponent is using to rank higher. I searched HTML5 banner ads. I got a result. Most of my competitor using keyword HTML5 banner ads to rank. So thus, if we use the same keyword, we cannot go higher. So we need to find some other keyword. In first of the page, the fiverr.com suggests some relevant keyword that related to our gig. I select banner design. A lot of keywords available, but banner design is the relevant to my job. So I select banner design. I got some results. Now my opponents, no one can use this keyword to their title. The top 3 people don't add this keyword. So if we use this keyword to our title, we definitely rank easily. So I select this keyword to my gig. Now I tell you the trick to rank higher. I will show you how to optimize your title and how to optimize your description and how to add tags. In first step, I paste my keywords. These two are my keywords. First keyword I take from fiverr.com and second one is takes from Google. Now time to create how to optimize your title. Title section is very important for Fiverr SEO. We need to combine the two keyword we have chosen in the title. It will not be of any use to us if we add those keywords directly without optimize. Now you will see I will make a creative HTML5 banner ad design for Google and Facebook ads. What you need to understand in this is how I have written my two keywords together and I have mentioned in my title and specify what the service is for, and you should do the same. Now how to optimize your description. Now I already written my description guys. This is my description. In description, you need to provide full detail about your service and what you offer and write the purpose of our gig and more, and also add the file format of your gig and mention the size of your gig also. Finally, you definitely add this two line in your description. Even after payment, if you find any mistake, feel free to inform us. We will fix the problem as soon as possible. Now you know why this two line is very important. The next section is tag section. In this tag section, we can add maximum of 5 tags. First, add your main keyword, and second, add your gig name, and other 3 tag you need to mention what service is this. It's time to create a gig guys. First, we need to provide our gig title. Now I paste my gig title here. Note, keep your title as short as possible because it look like neatly and it attract people easily and it improve our ranking factor. Next step is category. You need to select your gig type and select the subcategory also. It is very important step guys. If you select the other category, you don't need to rank your gig. So be careful to fill this one. I will select my category graphic and design and select my subcategory banner ads. So now I scroll down below. Yeah, this is my my subcategory name is web banner. Now I scroll down below. Yeah, I got it. Web banner is my subcategory. Then final one is select your file format. I provide a static banner, so I select static banner in this option. So the final step is tag section. In this tag section, you need to provide your tag here. I already create my tag, so I paste it simply. So guys, this is a procedure to rank your gig higher. After you finish this step, you need to select your gig price and some little bit infos. I hope you guys you love this video. We meet another money making series. Bye.